Hey everyone, Steve, the swing trader here with another video. Purpose of the video is to share ideas on how I read and chart stock price action and some information about my trading style, some rules that I follow, not intended to be financial advice. Please do your own due diligence. With that said, let's go to the chart. Today we're looking at Microsoft, and let's go ahead and look at the weekly chart. Looking at the price action. Price action is trend is up. Let's looking at the moving averages. Right now, price is dancing around the 20-day, which is the orange line. Um, so, so hopefully it'll stay within that range. Going down to the Stochk RSI, it is bounced off the low here. So continue to monitor that. The RSI here shows that it's above 50. So that'll tell me that uh, potentially price will continue moving up. MACD is in the bullish territory, so price supports the idea that price will continue moving up. Let's move on to the daily chart. Let's go ahead and make that a little larger. And looking at the price action, definitely sideways action, and I kind of see a symmetrical wedge forming. So consolidation there. Question is, will it consolidate and break out to the downside or break out to the upside? So that would be the big question. Looking at the moving averages for any kind of clues. I don't see any clues to the moving averages, except for the fact that price is going sideways. So we'll go ahead and turn off the moving averages. Don't want to clutter the chart with unnecessary data information, so get that out of the way. Let's look at the Stochk RSI, and it's crossed, dipping below the 50, which means it confirms the current price action, which is to the downside short term. Moving on down to the RSI. It is right at near the 50. So again, confirm sideways action. But the down here, the MACD, I think this will give us a little bit of clue of what to expect. So even though we're seeing sideways action, the MACD is above the zero line, which supports the idea that price will continue being bullish. So MACD is giving us a clue here. Let's draw some trend lines. Let's draw a resistance, trend line, and then a support trend line. And it's going to give us a basically a symmetrical wedge. So symmetrical wedges can go either break up or break down. The what's given us the clue that where it might break is the MACD, because it's above zero. So I would say I would lean bullish. I would lean that it would break to the upside because of the MACD is above zero. So that's given us the clue. So my thesis would be that price would test this lower trend line and then test this upper trend line and possibly break out of that, break through that trend line, and to continue moving higher. So that would be my thesis at this point. Let's go ahead and look at the price targets by analysts, and the current price target that I see is 232. Let's go back to the chart, and 232 is right here at the previous high. Well, not immediate, but the all-time high here. So that's kind of where what analysts are thinking. So let's go ahead and project potential price by measuring out the base of the symmetrical wedge, and let's put it so we can say we can put it right here, so it gives us a rough idea using this methodology where price may go if it breaks to the upside. So this is telling us 249. So it's kind of kind of agreeing with the analyst there. And let's go ahead and put a Fibonacci extension on this. And I'd like to put my Fibonacci extension at the top of the first swing high, and the bottom of the extension at the bottom of the first swing low. So see what that gives us. So it looks like the high here hit the 2.618 level, and the price, I guess, based on the analysts, they're projecting 232. So I would say probably looking at this region here for potential price target based on what I'm seeing currently. So that's my take on Microsoft. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video.